Action. Action!
Hey, owls! Welcome to the Edison News this week. I am your host with the second most. Now, on to the highlights, school announcements, news, and of course, your week's weather. Please
Sorry.
What?
Hey.
Whoa, wait, hold on. We're already shooting.
So it's my job.
Yeah, but you should have gotten here earlier because it's your job.
I had something to do.
You're supposed to get here earlier.
It's my
You want to go?
job.
Come on, let's go. That hurt.
Well, that's what happens when you try to take my job, Steve. Hope you learned your lesson. Sorry. Yo, owls, what's up, family? Welcome to the Edison News this week. I am back, and I'm your favorite host with the absolute most, but you already know that, so I didn't even have to say that. But since I did, oh well. Now to the highlights, school announcements, news, and of course, your week's weather. Yo, we're actually going to do the weather this week. I know we always say it, we never get to it, but that's the past. Let bygones be bygones. Please congratulate the following students when you see them in school today for completing the Board Street Run. Unfortunately, I was not one of those students. They ran 10 miles in the rain yesterday. I don't even like running when it's sunny, so congratulations. We are very proud of their accomplishment as part of the Students Run Philly style. Since this week is Teacher Appreciation Week, make sure to appreciate that special teacher in your life. City here is kind enough to show the teachers here at Edison High School some love by gifting teachers Munchkin from Dunkin' Donuts in the main office. Please note, Mr. Espinal did not hesitate to take any. So teachers, if you got there and there were none left, it was Espinal's fault. I bet you all didn't know the Nurse Appreciation Week and Teacher Appreciation Week are in the same week each and every year. So in honor of Nurse Appreciation Week, and in true nurse fashion, our Edison nurse, Ms. Jackson, has blessed us with a few health tips. Here is your nursing tip of the day. It is better for you to take allergy medication at night, right before you go to sleep. What it does is this enables your medication to start working for you while you slumber. And you wake up with the medication in your system ready to combat the day. The Edison girls basketball team is selling apparel online to fundraise for their 2019-2020 season. The website will be up for the rest of the day. The link is below. Please make sure you place your orders as soon as possible. All orders will be shipped to Edison and delivered directly to the students by the end of the school year. If you know absolutely anyone who would like some Edison apparel, the website also offers shipping for a small fee.
Permission slips for the Year 3 of the Sprint 1 Million project will be in the office for students and parents to pick up by the end of the day today. Sprint 1 Million is an initiative started by Sprint to get internet access to 1 million students across America. The devices students receive have 10 gigabytes of data so that students have access to email and other apps needed for school. Permission slips that have been signed and completed by the student's legal guardian on both sides can be put in the mailbox by a teacher or slid under the office door of room 112. Permission slips will be accepted until Friday, May 24th. Mark that on your calendar. Students will receive devices on a first-come, first-served basis. Estudiantes, this is a reminder that you all have a school district Gmail account. Please check it for important information about trips, summer programs, and jobs, scholarships, and anything that pertains to you. All the important stuff is in that Gmail. Check it daily.
Are you interested in career in aviation maintenance? If so, AIM has a free summer program for you. Yes, for you. Learn about aircraft structures, basic aerodynamics, fundamentals of flight, and much, much more. 3 camps are available at AIM, located at 3001 Grant Avenue, Philadelphia, PA. Space is limited. Please note, if you are interested, you must call an RSVP at 215-676-7700.
Did you enjoy Earth Day here at Edison? Here is a short video on our first annual Earth Day block party.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Edison's first annual Earth Day block party.
And now a word from Edison's PGC.
PGC is a fundamental group that helps freshmen transition into high school and have a better experience.
The point of this video is to get more PGC leaders involved into the program.
We also want to know that when we leave high school, there's PGC leaders that we helped create, so the generation after us in the PGC program will be okay.
Senior, your dues and student account. Your dues and student accounts are all overdue. Ms. Cicerone is still collecting money throughout the day in room 116. Remember, you must complete your community hours to walk at graduation, so make sure you get those done. Your senior luncheon will be on May 15th at the Concilio Banquet Hall from the times of 11:30 to 3. The senior prom will be on May 24th. Hey, turn up at the Spirit of Philadelphia. Make sure you please arrive promptly by 6:30 p.m. because the boat leaves at 7:30 and comes back at 10:30. All right? After the prom, the senior trip will be on May 30th at the Neshaminy Shore Picnic Park. You will depart from Edison at 9:30 a.m. that is. Finally, graduation will be on June 4th, and we will be bidding farewell to all of you seniors. Well, guys, that's all for us here at the Edison.
That's all for us here at the Edison Film Department. I hope you enjoyed this week's fantabulous. No? Yes? Maybe? It was good. It was good this week, and I'm sure you enjoyed it. I'm sure my scenes were better than somebody else who didn't get here on time.
You didn't learn your lesson the first time. I told you.
The problem was I got here
show.
on time.
Or
did you not get here on time?
Let's go.
Come on. Get on.
Well, guys, that's all for us here at the Edison.
That's all for us here at the Edison Film.